Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to make a gay in infinite craft. So guys, first thing that you will do is go for water and go for earth, go for fire. After that, go for a plant and go for a smoke. And from here, go for incense and then go for smoke and then go for angel and then go for human two times. And after that, go for baby and then baby again. And after that, go for child. And now from here, just go ahead and go for fire, 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 go for water, and then go for lava. And from here, go to stone, and then go for human, and then go for obsidian, another one, and go for family. And from here, connect the two. And after that, just go for water, water, wind, and then water again. And from here, go for rain. And now connect the two. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.